Can you guys hear me? I'm cold. I'm gonna warm up. The workout took all my energy, so now I'm freezing. Freezing. I'm gonna sit up taller today. This is what this is for, sit up taller. Go. Hello. How we doing? I got some cheese. And a Built bar that I'm gonna eat on stream because I don't mind eating on stream. How you doing, DC? Algo, what's up? What are you up to? What do you do at night? What's the secret thing that you do after you stream? Do you eat or something? Socialize? Go on, like, clean the apartment. Well, that makes sense. I do stay up very late for an East Coaster. Sometimes I just can't sleep. Particularly tonight, I did a gym. I worked out really late. And so because I took pre-workout, which is like BCAAs or whatever, to help you like stay alert and like focused. I like cleaning too, Algo. I kind of wish I had more time to do it, but I'm just running around all the time. So I'm actually going to run my first improv show next week, so it's gonna be fun. I mean, I've done improv shows, but I'm running my own. I'm really excited about that. So, but yeah, DC, I just feel like I just wanted to see if I could get a little further with AOC today. Maybe do day 6. I don't think I'm gonna do day 7, because when like it says like right on the front not to stream it. No, not that I mind. Like people definitely do it, and I feel like as long as it's like clear on your title, nobody's gonna, ding you for it. But wait, what sounds cool? Oh, the improv show? Yeah, maybe there'll be one when you come visit. We're like dead set on having you. I hope you know it's like a real thing. We're not just kidding about it. But you're gonna be really bored up here. Okay, good. Yeah, you're gonna be a little bored, I think. But Boston is close by, so there's always stuff to do in Boston. And there are a couple of like other places by me I can show you around. But I feel like if you stayed in Boston, indoor cat. Oh, really? Oh, all right, cool. That's awesome. It's cold here too. AWS Invent Conference? Oh, cool. Yeah, I need to organize too. I'm actually going to New Orleans next week, so I'm not going to be streaming gym streams, I don't think. I don't have a fancy setup like Algo where I can just run around with it. I've got a giant Alienware computer, 2 monitors. It's a lot. It's a big setup. I don't have a little Omni. That's awesome. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know if I want to do IRL. Maybe cooking streams and gym streams, but like they still have their like set, their set place. IRL is different because you're like out in the world and people are like, oh, that person's streaming. You got to get over that. It might take me a while to be like, I don't know, in that headspace. It seems like it's interesting. You probably have to like warm up to it. I don't even take pictures in public, really. So I don't know. All right. So today we're just gonna do some AOC, I think. I don't know how long we're gonna be on, but I just wanted to think through 5 and maybe in April. Is it weird if I pay to go on my own and not my company? No, I don't think it's weird because then you can kind of wander and you don't have to do anything like company based. But if they're going to pay anyway and you get to wander and be on your own, then it is weird. But I feel like no, it's not weird if you want to go. DC, are you DevRel? It's a lot of conferences. It's cool to go to that many conferences, but I don't get to do that. Little startups we don't do that stuff. I've been to like one conference since I started, but like I'm the developer, right? So like there's not really DevRel. Although there should be, I've been thinking about it a little bit more. There should be DevRel for my company. But we gotta develop something first. It's so loud, I'm sorry. I'm eating a Built Bar because I just worked out. And so it's loud, so I apologize for that. I'm gonna throw that away and then you won't hear it again. The tech element on a business team. Oh, cool. That's awesome. Love that. So these are puff bars. They're like chewy, but they're way better than other. They're way better than other protein bars because they're not like chalky. And I don't have trouble like a lot of the like chalky bars are like meant to make you full, and I like need to eat more. I need to get enough protein, so it's really tough. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna switch over to my day 5. Hopefully I don't have any environment files up, although one of these might be a .env, so I'm gonna get rid of it. That's cool, DC. I don't know where I still don't know where I want to go. For a while, I wanted to be a solutions architect, but I don't know if that's right for me now. I don't know. The more you learn about tech, the more you like find your way, you know? I really like user experience design, but I'm like, I think that's just part of being, I think it's because I'm in a startup, so I'm enjoying like that portion because it's like interesting and new. But I don't know. And then, I mean, I like developing, depends. But I'm not like, some people are like head down in the code all the time. Like even when they're at home, they like code, and I do, but I like people a little bit more. Hey, Baskin, how you feeling? How you doing? Sorry for my eating. I'm just getting the protein in. Chewing and dancing. The food dance. That's how I know I don't hate these bars. I don't really love food, but okay. Uh-oh. That's weird. Oh, this is my other. I'm just going to turn this off. I don't want that. Okay, so yesterday I was working on was taking a break and saw your go online message. Yeah, I was doing I did a gym stream and now I'm doing a coding stream. So we'll see how it goes. Really hard to find where to go in tech. I just had a dinner with a longtime data engineer, software architect for AWS, and he went into sales. Said he would never look back. Wow. Sales, huh? That's like enterprise architecture, right? Like sales and business is like basically it's pretty close to solutions architect, but enterprise architect generally like does the front part of it, like with the clients, and they're like, oh, by the way, like these are the things that my solutions architect put together. That's interesting, Algo. I mean, I can see you being good at sales. I don't know if you'd love sales because do you want a personal analysis on stream? Ask me in person why I don't agree with everybody. I don't want to psychoanalyze you like with no credentials on stream. I think Algo has. Oh, I would never rip you to shreds. No. So I think you're really good at talking to people, but I think that the amount of rejection that you get in sales might be tough because you have to push and push and push, and then I mean, not that you haven't, but I think you've earned the right to be in a job where you get a lot of positive feedback, and I would hate to see that job tear you down because I think that yeah. But I do think you'd be good at it. I I think after a few years, if you were tangential to it and you piggybacked on someone for a little while who was really good, so you could skip all the rejection. Right. Yeah, right. And it's not that you want it, but I think you thrive on it. So that's just my personal assessment from spending 2.5 days with you. Yeah, so psychoanalyst hype. Yeah, I can't psychoanalyze you, Piley. Well, that's good. I'm glad I did a good job. Chrissy pet professional. Pro Chrissy. No. I also had dinner with our consulting partners. And he said, please help me spend my client entertainment budget. I have millions. Oh my God. Can I go? Please, can I help with that? I would gladly. How about Twitch subs? I'm so sorry. 2 more bites and then I'll be done eating and then I'll focus. Sorry, guys. I just want to get some protein in me because I've been really bad at this recently and it's been killing my gains. So, okay. All right. So we're not going to do new AOC. So if it's it's a food dance. So if it is something you want to go do, feel free. And we'll catch you later. Or hang out in here because I'm doing day 5 and 6. So why not pair code? What is that called? Co-work. What motivates me for what, Lifted Being? You mean gym? Or you mean coding? Or you mean code? Honestly, being on stream helps me a lot. The desire to have you all view me as smart. I know that's a dumb. Money motivate me? Kind of. Yeah, kind of it. It's a very interesting question because I would rather do something that makes me happy and make 30 grand less But if it's 35 grand more and no, I really have to be doing something that I care about. It would have to be greater than 75% more than what I'm making now to change direction if I wasn't sure I would like it, I think. I don't know though. I think money I don't know. Okay, all right. So let's talk about this a little bit more. So like if I was in sales, like would a commission motivate me? I don't think so. I don't think I would be, I think I would actually go in the opposite direction. Like if I had a commission to work for, I'd be like, I would look for the amount of commission that I needed to make to look good in my boss's eyes, and the amount that I needed to make to like take care of my home and the people around me. Would being independently wealthy would 100% motivate me, because I would be able to like do creative things without any, what's the word I'm looking for? Without any disruption, I guess, you know? So yeah, I mean, being rich would motivate me. Getting rich is a motivator, but it's like, it's on the side. It's because I want to take care of the people around me. Right. Well, Algo, you're doing it right, but my my very personal. It's very hard to talk about what I'm going to say. My family could use my help. And my friends, my close friends, and do. And so I really want to be in a place where I don't blink when I help them, where it doesn't hurt, where it isn't hard, you know? So, oh, an auto trader? Oh, Lifted, how do you know you have the right algorithm? I don't know. Ditto, Algo. Yeah, I was just gonna say, Lifted, you gotta follow Algo. Lifted wants to write their own project, Algo, I think. Well, with other people. NVIDIA Triton inference servers? Yo, I do not know. AI models? Are you just like, is this? Oh, I see. No, I don't think I could be motivated to build something with money. I would have to love it as well. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. You should check it out. Lifted Being. Follow now if you haven't already. I've yelled at people to follow Algo like every time. So thanks for the hugs, you guys. Yeah, I mean, I guess money is sort of a motivator. Sort of. But not 100%. It's like 60. But then if I ever have, I don't think I'll be the kind of person who will, if I ever have money, I don't think I'll be the kind of person who like needs more. But maybe that's just like maybe it just follows. Helping humanity as a whole. Also a very good question. I would love to help humanity as a whole. Yes. But also, like, there needs to be like there's like never a clear answer with that though, because you can like change someone's life by giving them money, and that's just one person is enough. But oh, that's cool. Yeah, I mean, I would do that originally. So when I first was studying In my PhD, I was doing ecosystem services because I wanted people to pay for the earth. Like basically pay for the, you're right, we're in just chatting. Sorry. You're right. Lifted being. Oh, I love that, Benson. That's so cool. 100% Algo. Yeah. I hope it's a two-way street because y'all being here definitely helps me. So I hope that me being here helps you. Okay, so we're gonna try to refactor this a little bit so we can see where the code is messing up. So Benson, I did not go immediately to sleep. Are you my life coach? No, I did not solve it. No. Hi, Charlotte. Well, welcome on in. Charlotte Macy, or is it Masil? Or I'll just say Charlotte. Or Char. Do you like that? Well, welcome on in. Hello. All y'all are weird. Well, you're weird too, Josh. That's why you're here. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Oh, interesting, Lifted. Okay, y'all. Lifted Being really wants to try to do a community project with us because I think they're trying to like motivate themselves to code. Or what is it? What is it? Is it just like you want to do something with a group? Is that what it is? Spaces are on. Ah, cool. Well, then do AOC. First step, one step at a time. Should I just like do a real? I can't seem to get a job. Yeah, that's tough. That is fucking tough. Use my language. But that's hard. And then fixed it. Okay. So I need to build something that can make money. Yeah, that wouldn't motivate me. Well, Algo and I were talking about how we just like bring the streamers together, the dev streamers, and we build something cool. You just need like 48 hours and we'll get everybody together. Yeah, a florist or a baker or an artist. Be like Josh and run a gallery. A Laravel dev. I like Laravel. I didn't solve the problem already piling. I just got to refactor some of this so I can find it. So what I did is I stayed a little bit. No. I stayed a little bit. I'm going to slouch a little bit, I think. So I'm going to scooch this down. So I stayed online for about, it wasn't too long. It was about 20 minutes. Well, I'm just going to pull the functions apart so that I can see what's happening. Maybe. Because when I ran it, let me just show you. So I stayed up just so that I could see what was up, or at least like have a final point where I could be like, okay, I can end now. Your nervers are little? I'm nervous too. That's not what I want. Python, day 5. And I could do day 6 if I get like exhausted by this, because I know Dave. Hey, Subatomic Maniac, how you doing? All right, so I am. So this is not what I was ending up with last night, which is frustrating, but that's okay. So so I print the seed mapping, which is the next thing in the list. So 79, 81, 81. There's an extra one here. Let me take my prints out. This is a good song. Yeah, I've been looking at, so I've been messing with these quite a lot actually, like the destination. Like I don't think these are. Well, this is the map. Yeah, hold on. Is it because I have the, yeah, I have the +1 and the 1 -1. Yeah. Is it, is it because of the reformatting? Because that's the, it did that in the format doc. No, I didn't want it. It just did it when I formatted the document. Okay. So I'm basically ending, okay, that makes sense. I was wondering, it was when I was adding spaces, I think. But okay, so so this is like stopping at the level before this. So it's not completing the last run. So I think I just want to walk through what it's doing. So it does hit temperature to humidity, and then humidity. Once the destination is location, it stops running this, right? But right. And so this is wrong. And originally I was saying, well, wall source is not equal to blank. I was setting it to blank here. So that it would run through one more time, but then that doesn't work. And that's what I was doing yesterday when I was really tired. Yeah, what's up? What's your question? Oops. How am I? I'm doing okay. I'm doing all right. I'm doing okay. How you be? Okay. Um all right, so I'm gonna walk through this. You be bopping. Nice. I'm a little cold, TBH. Um, so in get lowest seed location, I get the seeds initially. I initialize an empty set for locations. Then for seed and seeds, which is a string, I set source equal to seed. So the reason source is equal to seed is because that's the name that I'm starting with to parse the data. So like right here, seed. And then I'm using my first mapping as seed so that I have something to initialize the mapping with. So that's going to be 79 in this case. Then, while the source is not equal to blank, I think this should be while destination is not equal to blank. I don't think this should ever be source. And I think basically while the source is not equal to, well, let's go through the logic, right? So that was wrong no matter what. Because source is never going to be equal to blank. Because you don't go through location. So anybody achieve anything cool lately? Achieve. Well, I'm doing an improv show next week. I'm running it myself. Not myself, but it's kind of cool, I guess. Who did this? Is this just what's on? That's cool, Alco. All right, boundaries. Did you do it on stream or did you do it off stream? All right, so while source is not equal to blank, which is wrong, this is wrong, we're gonna parse the next destination. So destination in this first step is going to be soil, and boundaries should be the array that has soil in it, an array that has soil in it again, but on the right side, to the right. Oh, cool. Cool. That's awesome. You're so badass. Okay, so then if the destination is not equal to location, so basically, so this is stopping early. Okay, it's not stopping early. If it's not equal to no location, then we take the boundaries as 2 plus 1, which is the first array, to this other boundary minus 1. So it goes from here to here. I could do minus 2 because there's always a space here. Oh, but it goes to the, actually, this is fine because it goes to the right spot. Sorry, I'm going to move this over. And then yeah, I'll go talk about your project. It's really cool. Bring your bot in here. Run it on my stream. I can do exclamation point if you have a bot like that. Okay, so then else, when it is location, okay, when it is location, when destination is location, we are going to take boundaries 0 plus 1, which is right here, to the end. Okay. And then from there, after we set destination boundaries, then we take, thanks for the follow, Divi, and subatomic maniac. I'm sorry, I'm having so much trouble with that. I got you though. I got you. We could talk about physics on stream. Like the theories of how the universe was created and how the sheet theory is really cool to me. I think that's really neat. Like sheets bumping into each other of all different universes, or ripples. That's cool. Okay. So then we take seed mapping and then we go through read map. We use the boundaries, which should be this set of lists. So it's 2 lists. And we bring in our seed mapping, which at this point, I don't know what it is. 78. Actually, I do know what it is because we printed it last. So it's 78. Because this is right. The rest of them are wrong, by the way. Just this is the only one that's right. So I'm really flipping this up. That means it's not even right at all. It's just doing the first one correctly, which sucks so much. So 78 and this boundary. So that means that I'm going to get, it's going to be in this group, 68 to, or 60 to 96, I think this is. So it's going to be 56 to whatever 56 plus 37 is, minus 1. So it reads the map, and it takes the integer of the source value. That's fine. I need it to do that because otherwise I can't do any calculations with it. Then the new mapping is equal to the seed value. So whatever the previously mapped thing was is the seed value. Then for I in boundaries, so for every list in boundaries, split it. Well, it's a string at that point. So then we split it. And then we get each of the elements. So the source start is this. So I get the integer of, so this is essentially 56 in this case. And then the source start plus the integer mapping minus 1. So mapping 2, which is 37, and we subtract 1 because it is inclusive, so we don't want it to add the extra. And then, so this is going to be 60 plus 36, which is 96. And then the destination start is 56. Sorry, it's 60. So then if source start, which is 56, is less than or equal to 78, which is less than or equal to 96, which it is, then we take the source distance, which is the seed value, which is 78, and we subtract the source start, which is 56. So I have to calculate this because I don't know how to do arithmetic. Is anybody minding the conversation about hedge funds? It should be fine, but like just want to make sure like we're cool with it. I'm sure it's fine. I just know sometimes it's like, nah, I think it's fine. Okay, cool. I just don't want anybody to feel like they can't chat. Feel free to interrupt them, you guys. It's okay. Talk to me. I feel so lonely. Okay, good. I'll go, babe. No, stay. You keep talking about it. It's all good. It's all good. Everybody's loving it. Keep talking about it. Don't stop. Don't stop. I just wanted to check with chat, you know? Okay, good. People are still hanging out. It's all good. It's all good. I just want to make sure they feel like they can hang. That's all good. Pulling my own hair out? Oh no, Jackson, I'm sorry. Do I not? I already, wait, were you calling me Algo Babe? Or was I calling you Algo Babe? Because I always call you Algo Babe. Go back to my VODs and check them out. I'm not worried about content, Benson. Just, you know, sometimes like when people are having a conversation about something on chat, it's like, you're blushing. No, you're not. Shut up. It just sometimes is like, you know, chatters are like, but it's fine as long as everybody's chill with it. Like, it's cool. It was kind of a dumb thing for me to like bring up, but I was just curious, you know, I was like, hey, does anybody mind? You know what I mean? Nobody minded. So keep talking about it. That's all. Nerds being nerds. Okay, I gotta focus again. So 60, so 78 minus 56 is the source distance. Wait, is that right? Yeah, 78 minus 56. So I calculated this because I can't do arithmetic. So this is 22. That means that 22 plus 60 should be the right answer. So 60 plus 22 should be the new seed mapping. Hold on. That's weird because I think is that the answer? $82. But hold on. Okay, so this is weird, but when I did that, when I had that space and location, remember? It gave me 82. Now that's a fluke, right? That's not real. Oh no, that's not true. When I put it here? Ah, well, that's okay. Let's not devolve, right? If we go forward, that's better. We'll figure it out. But I feel like there was something, I got an 82, but that's okay. It was on line 40. Maybe it wasn't though. Maybe it was humidity there. No, I think this said humidity maybe. But I still don't think that's right either. Okay, so I'm missing some logic. And it's here. It's right here. I think. What? Hold on. What did I just do now? What did I friggin' break? I didn't do anything here. I just added. What did I just break? I just proved that to myself. The frick. Oh, it's here. This is it. This is it. That's it. Okay, got it. Now that is when I added the destination thing, so I don't care anymore. Well, let's do this. There we go. Okay. So I have no idea if this is doing anything correctly because 43, 86, 35. This is 47, 51, 46. So it's not right. It's doing something wrong. So I need to walk. Yeah, I know, Mulgars. I'm trying really, really hard. Not enough for you? Let's talk. Algo. Java, don't ask. Oh, welcome on in, Rusty Chocolate. Sorry, I feel like I was focused for so long. How long was I focused? I'm usually really good at answering chat. Sorry. How do I deal with ADHD when I can't stand sitting in your chair coding some days? Oh, that is a good question. Oh, Rusty Chocolate. That question cuts so friggin' deep. Who said exercise and come back to it? Benson, that works for you? Stimulants and more, and some days just aren't gonna happen. That one right there, babe. Stimulants, yeah, that helps. Sometimes my day job, it's a startup. I do a lot of stuff. Today, I mocked up a tool, a web tool. Like a really bit of a viable product of one. And I started coding an example, a demo of it. I interviewed a customer for market research. I worked on designing our webpage. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna keep coding. I'm not gonna look at it, but yeah, that's fine. Startups are awesome. They're something. Yeah, they're great. Have 2 computers in sync in 2 rooms. Piling, that is fucking amazing. That is fantastic. Moving. Honestly, moving. A stand-up desk with rollies like nurses have. That's fantastic. That is how you fix ADHD. No, you don't fix it, but yeah, that. All in one day, yes. Subatomic. I did it all in one day. Yes, today. They were all like minimum, movement on each of them, but yes, that's what I do. Balance board with standing desk. Yeah, hell yeah. I wish I could do a standing desk. Regardless of mental health stuff. I wish I could do a standing desk, but I just have too much equipment on my desk. It just doesn't work. My monitors are too damn heavy. I can lift them up pretty high, but I don't really like it. A subatomic particle, I feel you. Today was a good day. Sometimes that doesn't happen. Sometimes it's really, really hard to even start. And oftentimes, like if I have a meeting, it destroys me, destroys my productivity. Yeah, Josh, yeah, totally. But like you can't always, at work, you can't always do that. Sometimes I start and go to my phone for 2FA and I open Reddit. It's Instagram for me, bud. I feel you. I get it. Sorry, I didn't mean that gendered, by the way. Give me my Instagram. I don't have anything. It's just Chrissy Codes piling. There's nothing on it. Boring. Nothing but meetings. Yeah. Nice. Take it. Take my Instagram. I know. Ugh. Yeah. It does help to shut off my phone. Move your 2-factor authentication off your phone. Or put it on like a... You can do it! Thanks, yeah. Me or, yeah, Rusty Chocolate. Yeah, you're right. I should work on this. Okay, all right. We got to pull this apart because, like, I don't know what's going on. So it's got to be something I'm doing wrong. Stop piling. Is it stop looking at how red my nose is? Because I could take that. I can't stop looking at how red my nose is. Yes, how I broke something? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, I'll stop doing it. Or make a note that I did it. Or comment out the code. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So this is using test data, but it kind of doesn't count because like what so what I want is instead of return, I want to say, what is the test response? I don't know. I'm just going to say return. This is going to print, right? I need to make this a value first. So I want the new mapping. So I want new mapping equal. What's this? Dead air! Raid! Hey, Dead Air. What's up? How you doing? Oh, what do I want to do, Piling? Nah, it's new raid music. It should go back and forth to the old stuff, but what I want to do is the test check. It's like error. I just remember it's like you like equate it and then I can't remember. The music was good. Welcome on in, Raiders. Hey, Dead Air. I'm Chrissy. I'm just doing some AOC. I do a lot of weird stuff on stream. Day 3? Oh. Don't give up. Assert. Thank you. That's it. Thank you. It is assert. Assert new mapping equals, and I want the next one should be 81, but I know this is true, but it's not correct. Unexpected token. Did I deactivate the music? Is that what happens? No. Is it not working? Hold on. I must have deactivated it. Sorry. Let's see. Did you request something lifted? Okay. I got you. Okay. You kept changing your code and it was still outputting the same answer. Oh no. Oh, that's so tough. All right, let's start with just test read map. So we're gonna do if we just do test read map, does it say false? Does it return the assertion? Or do I have to print the assertion? Or do I have to like run like PyTest? None. Shouldn't it say false? I did call it. Isn't that weird? And it doesn't return anything? Am I messing it up? 81 to... Okay. All right. What's my take on clean code? Good question. I don't even know what it is. Yeah, it looks like it works. Okay, so that's the first one, but then, okay, so that unit test. But okay, I'm gonna do this actually for the next seed. Because when I did it before, like other ones were right, but maybe I'll do it for this one for 55 because I know there were like issues. I think they were like in the third, I think they were in the third spot though. Clean code the book? Oh, the book. Probably not worth worrying about. Oh, I'm sorry, subatomic. But don't yuck other people's yum. Not here anyway. It's all good. I don't really know. I don't know anything about it. Hey, Greyhada, how are you doing? I feel like I have the book. No, I don't. I have clean architecture, not clean code. All right, so this is not, even though I think it's returning, like it's working for the first read, but it's not working for the location, I don't think. Okay, so then, I'm just gonna do, can I do that? Does that work? I'm not gonna do that yet. Okay. So then, could make a testing class. Yeah, so this works for the first step. Can I see, I want to see if it works for the later steps, because I know this broke later. So if I try it for temperature, with 42 or humidity with 43. So if I do, maybe I'll do each step. You know what? Why not? Why not? It's going to take me like a billion years to finish this anyway. So let's try every step. Let's see if, because I know that one of the steps is broken. Okay, If you have a job where you can worry about the code being clean, it will be gone in 5 years because of AI and other software environments. Would you be willing to show how you solved day 3, part 2? I hardly care about spoilers at this point. Yeah, I'm nervous. All right. Do I sacrifice for other people? Yes, I do. So, okay, so I'm going to run through this quick. If you're not in an ad, who is it? Dead Air? Okay, Dead Air, are you back? All right, so, okay, good. So, I don't even remember what it was, but essentially, I definitely brute forced it. And let's see, what does my code look like? So I opened it, red lines, started a total at 0, just so I could make it go up, obviously. Increment it every time I did a row. And then I did, for each row, get the index, right? And then initialize a loop with the column number and an I. And then what I did, so this is coming back to me, is I found the asterisk with a regex, with a regular expression. And I essentially searched. So when I found a line, I captured the 4, because I know everything is no more than 3 digits, all of the part numbers. And so I went, hold on, I'm trying to remember. I might be telling you the first one, so I'm just being careful. So I found the asterisk, and then I went like around the asterisk to see if how many numbers were nearby. So, okay, hold on. So I did a column number start. Okay, when I found an asterisk, I stored okay, good. In line with your approach. So I stored the column number of asterisk because it was similar to my first code, and then the end. So this is just the same number, right? Just a little spot. That's interesting that this is here. I didn't think I did that, but. So then if it was 0, then I made the check number at 0, so it would just check that line twice. And then if it wasn't 0, then I started at the line above. So I basically have a check array line, start and end. So I look at the above line, the middle line, and the below line. And I change that based on whether or not it's at the end or the beginning of the file so that I don't have an issue. Then is that true? No, this is column numbers. So column number start, if it's the beginning of the columns, this is the other one. So I did that with rows and I did it with columns as well. So I started with 0 and then I check 1 back and then 1 ahead for an integer. So you can see in lines, check row above, check number start to check number n plus 1 so that I could so I could get the total like 3 sets of diagonals. So I got here, here, and here, right? And if it was in there, I counted then I did count numbers around. So basically what I did after that is I checked the row above and I counted the numbers around that space. Does that make sense? So I think this is probably what's different. This is how I counted the integers. So I'm going to go through that. So you can see I take the above row and I insert column number start. So check numbers above looks like this. Check numbers around. So while I is less than the length of the row, I match any integers, right? That where the row of column number, which is 0, is not num and column number. So I just basically do the whole thing. So I go back through the row and I look for all the integers. And then I say, and then I compare it to if that integer is within the asterisk position, then I add a count. And then I do it again. So I find the next integer in that row, and if it's within the asterisk position, I add it again. I add another one. So I'm basically counting the numbers separately above the asterisk, and then next to it, and then below it. It's the same algorithm. So that is what I did. Is that what you're doing? Coding stream. And then I returned the count and added it. So I'll show you if you're still here. Am I just talking? It was involved, kind of hurt my head. Oh, okay, good. So then if I just added it here, and then if it was greater than 2, if it equaled 2, then I returned them. I returned the actual integers and multiplied them right here. Well, I didn't multiply them. I added it to the total. I multiplied them and added it to total. So it was involved piling, but Dead Air asked me to go through day 3 too, so I did. It wasn't very exact though. I could have like said it better, but I had to remember what day 3 was first. That has more devs than Microsoft, and I'm responsible for a lot of the architecture. Oh, that's cool. Wait, are we fighting? Don't fight. Hold on. Because the vast majority of software engineers are extremely proficient. Sent off to AI? Oh. I don't think AI is very good, man. I don't know. But maybe I suck at it. I'm not even talking. Gray, I don't think you're fighting. I was seeing if Subatomic was fighting. Oh. Well, we all have our opinions about AI. Oh, that's nice, Algo. What do you mean cheating? You're not Poly? Poly AI. What a beautiful solution to people in polyamorous relationships who are not who are with people who are monogamous. Oh, thanks for the sub, Dead Air. Hell yeah. Welcome on in. Welcome to the smack. Pan-polyoxin free. Absolutely. AI is amazing if you really squeeze the juice out of it. Oh, yeah, that's cool. It's Zion Bear probably. You'd have a good conversation with Zion Bear. He's done some cool swarm stuff. Thank you so much for the sub, Dead Air. Is this pushed up on a repo? Ooh, no. But I can. I can put it on a repo. Give me a hot minute. And then I will go back to my code. My code. How about I just throw it to you in a gist? Can I do that? I might already have it in a gist. Let me see if I have it in a gist and I'll send it to you. Day 3. I think I do actually have day 3 in a gist, which is cool. That just happened to be one that I don't want to embed it. Share it. Here you go. Here you go. What's that like crazy? Anybody can have it. Irish Sorcery had code highlighting. Does it? Pay support. Feels like you're trying to. Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, sub, it sounds like let's just chill on the conversation a little bit. We can talk about AI and stuff, but like be nice to software devs. We're nice in here. We're loving and patient and we speak positively. I mean, yeah. We do. We're trying. We all have our opinions about you, Grey Hatter. And some of them are positive. We try. Okay. So we're going to go back here to my day 3 because I need to think. What, Zion? What did I say? Did I say something stupid? I don't know what happened. Okay. So, wait, how did I do that? All right. So test read humidity. I do. It just doesn't make sense that it would fail in the middle, but it does seem like the mapping changes somewhere. Piling, I'm not going to write a test for this because I want to see something. I'm going to comment this out for a hot minute. I want to see the because I think this returns a bunch. Okay, let's see. 14? What do you mean 14? Why did I delete? Right now, this is just giving me the last ones. And they're wrong. So I want to see where they go wrong. So the first seed comes in. What worked? What worked? Oh, it worked. No, I didn't. Wait, what worked? Oh, the song. Tried to talk to, hold on, Mad Stork. Oh, geez. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Y'all are talking so much. Another good thing from 1970, crew interfaces. I don't even know what you're talking about. But sounds really cool. Keystrokes are required to complete lunar mission. Yeah, that is cool. 10,500 individual computer keystrokes? Alan, you and your numbers. Very disagreeable software dev. I have met those. So how about you come and you can be an agreeable friend instead of a disagreeable software dev. And I wasn't mean to them, Hatter. Basically, for me, when I found the gear, I would look up, down, left, right for an integer, then capture the full integer, then check the diagonals. If the other checks didn't find a second number yet. I even tried letting it collect duplicate numbers and just distinct the list, but no matter what, I always came out with the same number. Oh. So did you think about the fact that there could be like a... If the other checks didn't find a second number yet. Oh, I see. So up, down. So you do then the diagonals. But then you have the, sometimes in the up, there's a dot and the diagonals have two numbers. But maybe you already thought about that. I don't know. It's interesting. What is this music? It's good. Was that my air horn? Did my air horn just go off? Have to be what? To be, do you have to be a disagreeable friend? Or a really nice person? I see. I don't like this. This is annoying. Okay, I'm going to skip Benson and Hatter's conversations. They're talking about how awesome each other is. I can. People are facepalm. Random crazy internet dude? You guys, yo, all right, yo. Do I want to make friends with a random crazy internet dude? What is the answer to that question? What is the answer to that question? Zion, do you really think it's no? I mean, not like true friends. Like, you know, like parasocial friends. You get it. No, seriously, why else would you be here? Yeah, of course I'm here. I'm here to make friends and hang out. I was just kidding, Benson. I was just kidding. Jay, make jokes. Sometimes you just gotta, but subatomic is sort of, that would be, you gotta start somewhere. You gotta be parasocial before you're social. It's still a wicked burn. I did think of that scenario and I thought that was the issue, but I verified that it was finding those numbers anyway. It was finding them and putting them with the same group. It was fascinating. Dead air. I wish I was like pair programming this with you. That would be a lot of fun. Missed the contest. I thought you meant like a random meeting IRL. No. But I've met some streamers IRL and that's not scary. All right. Anyway. So I'm going to walk through these. So this is 79. I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to take a break from chat. If you guys want me to pay attention, like throw some bubbles up or something. Because I usually am very good, but I'm just trying to focus because I need to go to bed eventually. 79, 81. 81, 81. So this goes through. Then 74, 78, and then 78. It's missing the last one. It's not calculating it correct. So it's got 14, 14, 53. It doubles 53 for some reason. I'm glad that song is over. That was, so this is where it's, so this is another point where it's wrong. In the second one with fertilizer. So let's go ahead and make that fertilizer to water. Let's make this a unit test because I want to see if I can fix it. What do you need? What's up, Bubbles? What happened? No, Dead Air. I was talking about above. Yes, that's the scenario I was talking about where you've got 5 and 8. Yep, that's the one. Bubbles! I love that subatomic. Nice, Alan. Okay, so then we're gonna do test read map for fertilizer. Okay, so we have 14. This is going to be fertilizer. So the next destination, no, is going to be water, right? No, fertilizer. Yeah. And then I'm going to put in 14. Wait, seed is the source. This is the source. Source is fertilizer, and it's 53. And it should be 49, but it's not coming out with 49. What is it coming up with? Wait a minute, I didn't test it. Red, green, refactor. Josh, you gonna sleep? Oh, bye, Dead Air. Thank you so much for hanging out. Appreciate you. Definitely come back and hang out. And yeah, we could pair it maybe in January. Let's like go back, move forward, skip it, do other problems, come back to it, and we'll pair it. It'll be fun. And maybe I'll get it wrong with you again. Ton of people. Are we still, hold on. Let's copy. I agree. Those that can be. And the rest. Subatomic, there are not two types. There's so many types of dabs. But, and I think some of them are particularly good at attacking problems from, like you can have someone who's really strong at attacking code from like a UX perspective. That's like way more valuable. Well, not more valuable, but like you might be saying it from any angle in terms of like I don't know if you're talking about building or if you're talking about solving a bug. There are so many different things that you can, maybe that's what you're talking about. Like so many different challenges that come with software development, and some people can attack them all and then some people can't. I mean, it's kind of, I don't know. Oh yeah, that would be fun. Oh, I'm glad you joined the Discord. It's like, it's quiet in there, but we play a lot of music and we like, when we're in, we're in. And when we're out, we're just all quiet. Yeah, I don't judge devs either. Everybody's got to start. Everybody's got to start somewhere. Problems caused by crunch. Oh, 100% there. Oh yeah. This week I was told like, can we just get something out by Friday? And I'm like, sure, whatever. It's an MVP, so it's fine. But I'm like, yeah, okay, whatever. I'm like, I'm the only dev and I'm running like the design and I'm just like, yeah. It's not bad. It's not a bad or hard program, but still I'm like, definitely it will do something. Okay, cool. So 49. So this is wrong. And it's 53. And why is it putting 53 out there? So let's go see. Let's make sure. What I want to do is see if it's, I'm going to print some things. So I'm going to print the boundaries to make sure that it's reading the right boundaries. I'm going to print the destination to make sure that it's water. I could probably print the destination boundaries, which is probably what I should do instead, just to see what's happening. Yeah, I don't think AI is going to take, yeah, you're right. Oh, that's funny. Are you quoting Socrates just because? Let me see. Understand the problem. So you think you think children are too lazy to, this is such a deep conversation. Oh no, lifted, what happened? Here, I'll give it back. You can have it back. And then you can try again. Got your 100 back, you should have. Is this like connection drop? No, you missed a lot. We basically solved the problem of AI. Now nobody can use it. And so we all have job security. All right. Destination boundaries. Yeah, the coding continues for a little while. All right. So then it's using this code. So it's using, let's just open it up. I want to make sure it's using the right example. Pull this to the side. Says fertilizer to water 49 53 8 0 11 42 42 07 57 74. And it's getting, God, I'm just gonna not run this actually. So it says water is the destination. That's what I want. I've got the right stuff for fertilizer to water. I'm putting in 53. So my source is here. So the return should be 49, but instead it's returning. So these are these are the edges of the boundary. So I'm missing the boundary edges. Okay. So let's see, for I in boundaries, I dot split, source start. So this should be 53. Socrates was right. Oh my goodness. All right. I think I don't know. I think we're talking about the state of dev, and it's I think it's exhausting. What? You guys can I mean, feel free to I also agree with that we feel just a crazy, why are you being gaslit? I don't understand. Mobile dev, want to move to game dev. Ah, cool. 3D game dev. Algo, they don't work. They don't work for me. Pomodoro timers never work for me. But yeah. I feel you. Okay, I'll pay attention. But I don't want chat to be exhausted, y'all. If you get exhausted, just bubble in the chat. There's a lot of deep conversations about software dev in here, and it's tired. They turn off chat, would they? No, I don't think so. Would Pomodoro timers work? No, there's no reason to be on stream. I have a physical Pomodoro, yes. Yes. No, I don't want help. Do I want help focusing? Is that what you're going to ask? No, I don't want help. I'm not even lost. I'm just distracted. Cat. No, I absolutely don't want help. Okay, so so my expectation is this is 53 plus 48 minus 1, which is 7. Ah, thanks for that. Whoa, subatomic. Holy crap. What are you doing? Well, thank you for gifting the subs. Were you just trying to distract? I just got focused. Thank you so much for the gifted subs. I appreciate you. But I was just focused. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I will let the convo die down and shallow out. No, Matt Stork. It's so good. I mean, it's good to talk about this deep stuff. I just always wonder if it exhausts chat. I'm worried about everybody. I want to make sure it's not too heavy so that we can be light and fun and fuzzy in here. But also, I do like talking about deep stuff too. I do. So it's good, but I just want to make sure it's not wearing anybody down. I have people like come in who are like, I just close your chat when I watch you because it is so exhausting. And I'm like, I want to make sure that there's like positive and good vibes. That's all. There you go, Lifted. That's how you do it. So that's all. I just want good vibes. Okay. Not exhausting vibes. But it's all good. Just during chat. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted sub Subatomic. I appreciate you. Thank you for coming in, taking some deep chat. When you're developed your first game, please bring it back to the community and we'll try it out. Coder is here. Fake Chrissy Codes. Am I fake Chrissy Codes? Yo. Oh, fake credit card? I don't even know what you're talking about. Oh, it's a fake credit card. How do you know? How do you know that? Had to after griefing in my drunken state. Oh, I see. Oh no, you're drunk? Aw. All right. Do you want me to drink with you? I'll just fall asleep, so probably a good idea. Well, hugs. Hugs and kisses. All right. So mapping. 53 plus 7 is 60. So source start is 53, which is less than or equal to 53, which is true, which is less than or equal to 60. So the source distance. Woo! Zombie chow! Matt Stork! Bad cop! Hey, hey! Hey, y'all, what are you doing? I know I can't get your break. I keep getting focused and then it goes away, but that's okay. I don't mind anything for readers. Oh, nice. No, it works, so I drink midweek like a degenerate.
Let's stretch our legs.
Ooh, we're gonna do a stretch. Who did this? Thanks, Moon Pie. I probably could use a stretch, except I have the cat on my lap. Look how happy she is. How are you gonna make her get up, Moon Pie? She's got my headphones in her mouth right now. Passing along the, all right. Well, thank you so much. We're on day 5. Yeah, Bad Cop, I saw your clip. At like, it was so early. And then you're like, you got it though. Hell yeah. Okay, so I gotta do a stretch. So let's do a stretch. Upper body would be nice. Yeah, I keep slouching. A sitting pike? Now I have to remind myself of what this is. What is a sitting pike? The hell is a sitting pike, y'all? Oh, by the way, welcome to stream. I'm doing AOC day 5. That's the end. That's all you need to know. AOC day 5. But I haven't even like had, the thing is, Bad Cop, I haven't even started to struggle. Like I am just stuck on my code first. Like the struggling isn't even, like the problem hasn't even, like it's just parsing. That's my issue. I don't even have the algorithm correct. What am I doing? A sitting pike. What even is this? Oh, I can do that. Ooh, can I do this? That's cool. I want to do those, but I'm just going to do this. All right. So we're going to open up to the big chat screen. I just talk about it. All right. Well, by the way, welcome in. How was your stream? I will talk to you in a second. Unless you have to raid and run, always understanding of that. But if you can stay while I do a pike stretch, then I'd love to hear about what you were doing. We'll just scooch back. And this moon pie, you have to watch what you did to the cat. She's going to be so bummed. She's going to be so sad. She's going to stare at you and then be like, why? I'm still wearing my workout pants, by the way. All right. Pike. Seated pike, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't do this enough. You should have a straighter back, but I don't go down as far. Back is feels good to stretch though. I kind of wish I could code standing up, but I can't. I'll get there, Zombie Chew. Day 7 and day 6. To code standing up. Duh, bears. You redeemed something for 500? I didn't see it. What was it, Lifted? Yeah, I'm free. An important redeem? I know you trolled everyone. Is that you? What? Yeah, it plays a Discord sound and everybody looks for their Discord. That's the troll. No, listen. Ah, 27 minutes? I heard it. I got trolled. See? It's a long time out. Yeah, because you don't want it to like be too much. Then it gets expected. It wasn't that important. Okay. I don't look because I know. Yeah, me too, Moon Pie. Sometimes I look. Okay. I think this is the issue right here. So source distance is equal to seed value minus source start. So if seed value is 53 and source start, what is it? This is like, you guys are so good at distracting me. Really amazing at it. Whee! I feel like I can't say anything. Say mysterious. Yeah. By the way, Coder, this is a word band bonus stream. Just so you know. That's why it's on a Wednesday. Ooh, ABC's next time, Alan. You bet. So 53, right? Source start is 53. My seed value is 53. My mapping max is 60. The source distance should be, it's gonna say it doesn't even go in here though. It's gonna say it's not in here, but coder, WTF. WTF, coder. No. Are you kidding me? This is a bonus stream, an ode bonus stream, and I have a second one coming up. Get wrecked. XOXO. So the source distance should be 53 minus 53. Sorry. Which should be 0 here. And then this should be 40. Let's print this too. Why not? 49 plus 0. It's a lot of print statements. Okay. So what is actually happening? So source start, which is right here. Let's follow this. Let's do this correctly. Let's make sure we understand what is what. So the destination is water. This is correct, right? The destination boundaries are correct, right? Then read map gives me 53, which is correct. Then this is true. Okay, good. This is also true. Okay, good. This is also true. The source distance is also true. Is it looping twice? Oh. Shit. Why? Because it runs through it. Good night, Zion Bear. I can, Benson. I'd actually really like to make that. But as a matter of fact, I have closed captioning, Benson, so I've already thought of doing it. Because I actually have it on my stream already. And so all I have to do is add a listener. It might be wrong though, but who cares? But it'd be really fun. CCCCs. We'll use CCCCs. That's what we'll call it. I'd like 10 CCs of CCCCs. Okay, so what is happening is it's looping through these. Can I use a break statement? I feel weird using break statements, but I feel like I want to use one here. Comprehend this wall of text. Yeah, I've been trying to refactor it into functions, but statement ends with an unnecessary semicolon. Does that fix everything? Yes. Yes. How excited when she used a break statement. I got so excited. How do you know this girl likes code? I added a break statement. What a nerd. What a nerd she is. All right, let's see if this works now. No, it doesn't. It still doesn't work. It's still not right. What else is broken? What did I even do? Oh, no, it's right. Okay, good. All right, no, it's fine. So we need to now, so I was doing this before. All right, and will this give me 35? Okay. So I have a feeling this isn't gonna work, but at least I tried. Coder, I'm on to you. Oh, wait, throw me those points back? Okay, all right. Did you mess it up? The last ones?
So I've decided. I'm not long saying I suffer from seasonal depression.
Oh, I feel you there. That's a good cheer.
From now on I'm saying I take fall damage.
Okay, did you make that up? Because that's beautiful. I should pay you bits for that. That is lovely. You win, Coder. Just the last one. Okay. I want it. Oh, no, I'm removed the wrong one. I don't even know. I removed too many. I think it's just 3 hours ago. Okay, you got 200 points, actually. That's from me. From me to you. All right. So, Hatter, did you make that up? Because it is gold. That is gold. I love it. Hold on, I want to see if my best friend texted me. We haven't really been talking that much, and I really, really miss her. So, I really, really miss her. Aw. She didn't. Okay. All right, let's throw day 5 in here, even though I have 0 confidence about this. Not 0, close to 0. Okay. That's a nice big minimum. Jeez. All right. Find the lowest number. What is the lowest location number that corresponds to any initial seed numbers? Ugh. Thank you, QLogic. My answer is too high. Okay. So the issue I had before was that it was looping twice. Yeah. Yeah, she'd get it. I mean, I could send it to her. She knows Twitch. Absolutely, yeah. Yeah. I will never apply to any hard jobs. But that's okay. No, I honestly, she's been feeling a little guilty that she can't get back to me. So I don't want to give her that guilt. I just want to let her kind of be in a peaceful moment with whatever is going on. So, all right. So, what would the problem be? So the first issue I had was that I was looping through multiple times. So focused. What did it do? It sends it to Discord. Well, okay, so here's the thing, right? My goal was to try it, to get it in an example form where the example was working at the very least, so that I could start thinking about the problem in veritude. I don't think that's the right word. For reals. So, like, even if I went to bed right now, I would feel really good. What's the problem? For realsies. For realsies. The problem is I got the right answer for the example code and I got the wrong answer for the big code. The big code. Let me see. How many seeds do I have in the big code? What even is this song? Lifted, did you do this? Word band counter lasts entire stream. How many? Damn it, you're right. Just add it. just add it. Just do it. I think I did it already the first time. I won't even know if that's correct. So I need to think about what about no, it's never zero. It's not zero. Um, hmm. Am I parsing them correctly? Seems like I would be. Okay. I wonder if I just instead of this, just want to see. It doesn't. Can I not do that? Okay, you're mad at me. How do I sort of list? The other way? The fuck? Uh, mm, am I not? Why did it say none? Oh, no. Why can't I sort this? Did my brain go flat? Am I using the wrong? What is it? Okay, so why can't I sort it?
KCC, did you know that the Mortal Kombat theme song is actually a church song from Scandinavia?
No, is that real? Thank you for the biddies, by the way, Greyhatter. Like I said, I owe you for the joke. Oh my gosh.
It's a Finnish hymn.
Oh my gosh. Now you should be paying me, actually. I've heard that one. Not soapbox speeches. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go back. Are you? No, I don't think I've ever had a Twitter. Too peoply? Peoply. Not soapbox speeches. I hear that. Oh, unless you pay for them, like Grey Hatter just did, then you can absolutely have soapbox speeches. um, do I have to do it this way? It just seems dumb. No, that's not what works. All right, so wait, QLogic, what were you trying to say? It's a method. And this is a list. Sort the list in ascending order and return none. Oh. Oh. But so it's okay, that makes sense. So why is it, I don't understand. Why does it do that? Why is it? It returns none. It sorts the list and it returns none. So what's the point? Oh. The sort is in place and stable. If a key function is given, reverse. So it's in place. And stable. Oh, because it's returning none. But then how do I use it? Like, I don't understand. So I shouldn't use it here because it's not, this isn't what I want to do. I'm not doing it as a, like, I just want to see, right? All I wanted to do is order it. I still don't really, I don't understand instinctually, like what, yeah, Alan, give me a hint for the sort is in place. So the list is modified, which makes, like, it's modified as in the addresses are changed. Or it's modified right. So if I did, and then I did, and then I did, okay. Yeah, do it before 3 a.m. 100%. So this is agreeing. But it was too high, right? All right. I'm thinking. All right, so what are the problems that we could run into? When we start with this thingy, I already did that, Benson. I just wanted to check that it was that it was telling me what I expected, honestly. I had it here. It was right here. But I just wanted to believe it. Like, I just didn't believe it. I wanted to see it for myself. So, oh, shit. It's okay. So let I kind of want to make sure I'm capturing all of the things that input. What if Sorry, I'm moving all over the place. This is what I do when I'm thinking. Is everything being used? There are 20 of those thingies. Is everything being used? Let's check the thingies. I don't know why I did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so there are. Then as I'm moving through, what are the issues? Okay. This doesn't feel like I got lucky with my example solution. It feels like I'm missing a case. Thanks, Lifted. It feels like I'm missing a situation where this breaks. where my algorithm is not covering. It feels like I'm missing an edge case. So what is the logic that I am failing at? Where am I? No. Maybe. I don't know. What are you going to say? Can you say what? I was thinking the initial example doesn't cover anything, but that's not that's not really like I need to, it should work for anything, right? Like if I have the logic encapsulated correctly, there should be no reason why it wouldn't work, right? So the problem is that I don't have the logic encapsulated correctly. So no, stop. No, stop. No, don't tell me. Don't tell Benson either. Stop it. Stop. Don't tell me. Okay. All right. So then as we let's do this. All right, so we're gonna just split this up so I can see. I'm gonna minimize this for a hot minute. Let's do it in order. All right, so this seems fine. That's fine. All right. So no, go in Discord and I know what he's gonna say, so why does that, I wonder why that happens. Better? I don't want to say. Look what I can do. I don't want to say. I was going to do it anyway. That was the whole point of today. Look at the beginning of the VOD. No, that's too granular. Woo! what is this doing? Let me walk through this and say what it's doing, and then I can pull it out. So I am walking through all of the inputs. And looping them through reading. Hold on. Reading all the inputs and parsing the map. For the next destination. Checking if it's the final destination. So the only thing really that this should be doing is calling so the only thing I want this function to do here is is pull in and then Temper Alex, hey, how's it going? My lights aren't going. Are my lights going off? No, my lights aren't going off. Just for fun? It's not just for fun. If I fail, I have to do a bonus stream, and I already owe you one. And I'm doing one now. Hey, Time. Hey, Temper Alex. How you doing? Did you do AOC 7? I actually think I'm on 5-1, but 7 kicked your butt. I think I might do 6. And maybe. This might be too granular. I'm not really doing anything. But so many edge cases in 7. I know. 5, my logic is just poor. I'm just missing something. Missing something in my logic. Which is fine, because I wrote it as a big friggin' function, and I should probably not. Should probably not. Bubbles! By the way, welcome on into the stream. I'm Chrissy, if you haven't met me. Time enjoyed. I don't know why you don't have an auto shout out, girl. But you should have an auto shout out. Temper Alex, I think you got one when you came in. I hope. Yeah. Please follow Time if you're not. Also, I would be surprised if you're not, but it's okay. We're all new sometimes. I'm like Charlotte, follow Time. Time is a great dev streamer. If you're not already. So yeah, I'm just trying to pull this apart. Um, uh, okay, let's do this. We're gonna do, forget this. We're gonna do, whoa. Okay, so we want to define our destination boundaries, which means that we need a start and a boundary end. Intelligence? I don't know. I sort of feel like I should stop. Like basically, okay, all right. Let me talk for a second. I need to talk for a second. First of all, I know that I have some refactoring to do to get this correct. Because so I should probably do some more unit tests too, because I want to see well, I should do unit tests and I should follow. Maybe I'll do a red-green refactor on this one because that might be the best way for me to get to pull these functions apart. Because right now they are just big walls and I don't want them to be walls. Like this right here, even this shouldn't be. Like, why is there a nested for loop in here? It's so confusing. This is like build array, you know? So I need to build, yeah, I need to build the array. Yeah, I mean, I did too. I just wasn't at the place. I'm still not at the place where I want to refactor it yet because of the amount of time that it's going to take. But I got it so that it returned the example data, which is exactly what I wanted to do. But that's just luck, I guess. It is just luck, which is weird. Weird. It's really weird. That I got lucky that many times. Pull it apart so that I can see each piece individually. Oh, then I don't know what you mean, but that's okay. So what I'm wondering, because it is 217, is I switch and try to do 6 because I heard it was simple ish, or at least it made me feel, make you feel good. So I don't want to get stuck on 5, right? I can always come back. Well, time muted day 6, right? Does it take less than an hour? Or at least part 1? Try it. I'm going to ask, yeah. Or temper, you've been doing it, right? You've been doing AOC. Does 6 take less than an hour? Likely. Part 1 in an hour. I think I do want to go to sleep, actually. I think I do. I want to sleep because yesterday I went to sleep really late, and I woke up. I did okay yesterday, but I have a lot more to do tomorrow. A lot more. So I should probably be careful with myself and just go to sleep. Although temper just rated, but that's okay. That's all right. So I was going to refactor this. I think I'm going to skip it for now. Do day 6, part 1 and 2 tomorrow. Maybe not on stream. I don't know yet. Oh, you're back. Oh, goodness. Subatomic, do you need me to call an ambulance? Are you going to be okay? Yeah, I'm going to go to the bed. Y'all, I think I'm going to make the responsible decision before I say the S word too many times, and go to sleep. And then I won't be able to, I don't think I'm going to stream my workout tomorrow, which I'm kind of bummed about, but it is kind of prepping for next week because I'm going to be in New Orleans on Thursday and Friday. So I don't want to stream. I'm not going to stream then either. So I'm going to sleep, not stream Thursday, but I'll stream my workout on Friday if you guys want to come out and hang out. And then, and I'll probably do AOC by myself for a couple days to see if like not being distracted by chat helps a little bit. This is not the one, I don't think, that like really determined whether or not I was broken, but oh no, you're fine. Yes, don't apologize for me living in America. Look, it can be rough, sure. And we do have terrible paternity and maternity care, whatever. And we have awful vacation, and sure, there are a lot of things wrong, but don't apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to have offended you so much by being born in the United States. No. I'm just saying that there's just not a lot of that here. I do not answer those questions. All right, y'all. So we're going to raid. Let's go raid Grim. We haven't raided Grim in a while, although, yeah, let's go raid Grim. He's doing C. You might learn some things. I appreciate y'all for hanging out. Thank you so much. I will. Wait, is that a bad thank you? No. You would never have me ask something terrible to Grim. Sweet dreams, Algo. I'll be seeing you soon. Al. People are going to think your name is Al. I don't even know if it is. I have no idea. Wait a minute. Okay. All right. Have a good night. Appreciate y'all. I'm actually going to put his stream up before I go over. So I'm going to make you sit here for a little while because I never get to like actually be there at the beginning of the raid. I always mess it up. So we're gonna be there at the beginning. All right, there we go. All right, good night, everybody. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for hanging out. I will see you in my workout streams. Go AOC! Yay! Bye, everybody. Bye.